Need to create smooth navigation within your HubSpot pages? Let's walk through how to add and manage anchor links. In order to do that, you first need to navigate to your content. So this can be a website page or landing page just like this one. The next option you need to do is to create an anchor. Click on the module that you want to add a link to. Like for example, let's choose right here, this one. Once you have selected this, next thing you need to do is to actually choose or insert a dropdown for HTML/CSS. Click on this add option and then locate the anchor option. You should be able to actually input it right here. If it's not there, you can click on the search bar and proceed to search for anchor. Here's anchor right here. It's under the modules. And then just proceed to drag it wherever you want to. So I have dragged it right here onto this case. So let's rename this. Let's name this features. And as you can see, page has been updated. Next, we just need to create the hyperlink once the anchor has been added. So insert the link button. Like for example, if you have a button, you can click on that particular button, or you can also add a new one. I'll choose right here the Learn More button and click on this pencil icon. Now you can link it to whatever you want. So in my case, I link it to a content. Then you can select a page or anchor that we have right there. So for this case, just locate the actual anchor that we currently have right here. Alternatively, you can also choose URL or external. Now under this URL part, you just need to name your anchor. So we name our anchor as features. So you can just add it right here if you would want. So just add right here what we want to add, and in here, you can just save it as usual. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.